In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit tasks in Planner Premium or use safe workarounds. There are actually two methods covered here, so if the bulk edit approach does not work for you in the first method, we will fall back to the second one. Let's begin with the first method, which is bulk editing selected tasks in grid view. Start by opening Planner and go into the Prepared Premium plan. To do this, open your browser and go to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once Planner has loaded, look at the left navigation and click My Plans. From the list of plans, click the Prepared Premium plan, which in this case is called Product Launch Cleanup. After the plan opens, look at the View tabs near the top and click Grid to switch into the grid view. Now select the tasks you want to update together. Move your pointer over to the far left selector area for the first task row. Click and drag your mouse downward through the first three task rows so that they all become highlighted. Alternatively, you can click on the first task, then hold the Shift key and click on the last task to select everything in between. Once you have done that, confirm that the first three rows are staying highlighted before moving on. Next, let's apply one shared due date to the selected tasks. Click on the horizontal three dots on any of the selected tasks to open the action menu. From there, hover or click over Due Date. A date picker will appear on screen. Inside the date picker, choose your preferred date. After picking the date, click outside the date picker so the change applies to all the highlighted tasks. Take a moment to confirm that the same due date now shows on all of the highlighted tasks. Now let's apply a shared progress or priority update. Click on the three dots again, then click or hover over Status. From the drop-down that appears, select In Progress. Confirm that all three highlighted tasks now display In Progress as their status. You can also update priority in a similar way. Click the Priority cell on one highlighted row. From the drop-down, select Important. Confirm that all of the highlighted tasks now show the same priority value. Next, we will move on to the second method, which is using a safe board view workaround when bulk edit is unavailable. The first thing to do is switch to a grouped board view. Look at the View tabs near the top of the plan and click Board. Once you are in the board view, find the Group by Bucket drop-down in the upper right area of the board and click it. From the options shown, select Status. The board will now regroup by status. Find the Not Started column, which is where we will pull tasks from. Now let's move tasks safely through the grouped board. Locate the card for Refresh FAQ Answers and drag it from the Not Started column into the In Progress column. Then locate the card for Approve Final Social Post and drag that one over into the In Progress column as well. Once both cards have been moved, confirm that both task cards now appear under In Progress. To verify the change at the task level, click one of the moved task cards to open its details pane. Look at the Progress field and confirm that it says In Progress. After that, click the X in the corner, or click the blank area outside the task to close the task details pane. At this point, your selected grid rows will share the same due date, progress, and priority whenever the bulk edit feature works in your plan. If bulk editing is not available for a premium field or for your tenant, the board view workaround still updates task status safely inside Planner without relying on unsupported imports, copy and paste, or external scripts. Congratulations! You now have two reliable ways to keep your Planner Premium tasks organized and up to date.